Now, minimalist bridal headpieces have blown up in recent months, and I am not even surprised why. They are gorgeous. They are so easy to incorporate into a long wavy hair, so you don't have to spend a fortune on a bridal hairdresser. And we have so many gorgeous designs that can truly capture the imaginations for you to create something gorgeous at a very reasonable cost. So let me show you what these actually look like worn. So this is a first design, a beautiful crystal headpiece, like a double layer. And you could easily wear this with your hair down, perhaps those long lashes, Hollywood curls, or potentially even create a ponytail, like a higher ponytail. Maybe get your hairdresser to zhuzh this up, create a lot of volume, curl up the bottom bit, and by having the hair up, the attention will go to your face, to your eyes. With this glamorous headpiece, just adding something little to elevate the whole look and for you to feel just a little bit more special. So this is the first design. Now the second design is a little bit more rich, a little bit richer. It's not as minimalist, but equally beautiful. I love, love, love the sparkle on this. We have it available in silver gold or rose gold as most of our designs. And just look how beautifully this sits on the head. Absolutely magnificent. Really love, love, love this design. This would be my thing. I love pink. I love anything beautiful and feminine. So this would be the one for me. And the third design that I wanted to showcase for you today is this magnificent gold headband. We also have it in silver or rose gold. So take a look at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy and let us know if you can help in any way. We love making brides happy and helping them to create a style that truly works for them, that helps them feel confident, elegant, sophisticated, and uplifted on their special wedding day. So look how beautiful this is. I would probably go for silver for me because I've already got blonde hair. So blonde and blonde, it's beautiful, but for me, I would prefer silver on this occasion. But if you have gorgeous darker tone hair, then for you, gold, rose gold, or gold would totally elevate the look, because the contrast just creates a special magic that is so beautiful. So this is the second design. And we use for our luxury headpieces only the highest quality 5A cubic zirconia that are cut like real diamonds. Hence why the exquisite sparkle that you just wouldn't find on the cheaper, tiaras or headbands out there. So be really careful who you purchase from, as it does make a huge difference. So today I've showcased this gorgeous gold design, stunning Daphne rose gold design, and the beautifully elegant minimalist silver double layer headband. So which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or need any help with your bridal styling, please do reach out. We'll be thrilled to assist you. So much love to you.